Alright, so important things here with the scales. Like, the reason why we went back to the Euphrygia one up here is, I believe that was the one you said you were starting to kind of forget a little bit or start to trip up. Your fingers get tripped up. So, we got to make sure that what you learned before stays there. So, just because we did one scale and you got that down, then we move to the next, then move to the next, doesn't mean that we don't continue to reinforce these things. So at least running up and down each scale shape you learn like once or twice a day, it's a good way to start the practice session. If you could do each scale like one time per day, it's basically running through each scale like 30 times in a month, which is very, very good. So as long as you're consistent with it, you can get a lot in. Doing the improv stuff is the much more fun way of getting the scales down, I think. So, taking a backing track that lasts a few minutes long and just hitting your scales within it, that's a good thing to do. So if the material this week ends up being like ridiculously difficult for you, I can always back off the difficulty next time. But let's see if just after a couple of days things start to click for you. And again, if it ends up being like an absolute struggle, I will simplify things next time. But just see how it goes. Hopefully it goes okay. And here we go, 60 beats per minute. Number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was like so wrong. Let me do this again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. Or just that last bar I changed the rhythm on. Anyway, that was correct. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 160, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. One more at 200, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on the number 2, same rhythm. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 3. 61, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and 1, 2, and done. 160. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, Whoa, screwed that up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 200. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the wrong string. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. So if any questions come up, let me know, and I'll see you again next week.